Come test drive the 2014 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.